you know you want to have an occasion or an event or a special date be completely extraordinary and memorable, but you just don't have the time to create that by getting all the necessary items, props and ambiance and everything you need. So we would provide a rental facility for you to help you create that memorable experience. This is going to be totally different than a large party rental company, but more of a place, an intimate place where a customer can come in and pick up an experience memory kit. For a special date night, a youth group, or even a family event like a reunion or something like that. This will help those that want to have something really special but don't want to take the time or the money to go buy a whole bunch of things. They would just come pick their theme, everything would be there ready for you, and you would have a wonderful, memorable experience in the occasion that you're celebrating. And I think everybody would love to have this option close by.